Blending modes in Wondershare Filmora X are a powerful tool that allows you to creatively combine layers of video or images by altering how the colors of one layer interact with the layers beneath it. To use blending modes, start by placing your video clips or images into the timeline. Ensure the clip you want to apply the blending mode to is positioned above the base clip. Then select the clip and double-click on the clip. Then go to the Video tab. Then go to the Compositing section. Here, you will find the Blending Mode drop-down menu, where you can choose from different options such as Normal, Darken, Multiply, Color Burn, Linear Burn, Lighten, Screen, Color Dodge, and many more. Here's explanation. Normal, no blending top layer covers the bottom. Darken, keeps darker pixels, good for shadows. Multiply, darkens by removing white, great for shadows. Color Burn, increases contrast for a dramatic effect. Linear Burn, darkens by reducing brightness. Lighten, keeps lighter pixels, brightens images. Screen removes dark areas, ideal for light effects. Color Dodge, brightens, creating glowing highlights. Note, you can select these blending modes according to your situation. You can also adjust the opacity slider to make the overlay effect more natural. Once you are satisfied with the result, click OK button to save it. Using blending modes creatively can add professional visual effects to your videos, making them more engaging and cinematic.